If fat loss were just about willpower, most of you wouldn't be here. Because what actually controls fat storage isn't discipline, it's hormones. And what often gets left out of the conversation is this: your body doesn't decide to store fat because it ate too much. It stores fat because the hormonal environment tells it to. And that main hormone driving that signal is insulin. Now, insulin's job is to move fuel into cells, but when insulin stays high chronically, your body gets stuck in storage mode. That means fat is locked away, glucose can't enter muscle efficiently, hunger increases, energy drops. So people eat less, move more, and still don't lose fat. That's not a willpower issue, that's a physiology problem. Insulin isn't acting alone. Chronic stress raises cortisol. Poor sleep disrupts leptin and ghrelin. Inflammation interferes with fat and glucose signaling. And all of that pushes the body towards protection and not fat loss. Your body isn't failing you, it's responding to the signals it's receiving. So when insulin comes down, fat becomes accessible, hunger quiets, energy stabilizes, and muscle is protected. This is why many people lose fat eating more, not less, because the hormonal environment finally changes. That's also why calorie restriction alone rarely works long term. If you've struggled with fat loss and you've blamed yourself, if you felt like your body was resistant, it's not you, it's the signals. Change the signals and the outcomes change. And if you're not sure which signals your body needs right now, that's where individualized guidance matters. I'll leave information below in the description if you want help navigating those nuances. I'll see you tomorrow.